Hi, it's Muhammad Safi here and welcome to my new tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to make a realistic lens blur effect using Adobe Photoshop 2020. So let's the video begin. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any new video. First of all, let's understand what depth map is. Simply, the depth map is monochrome picture that addresses which object is near and which object is far in the picture. The white represents that it is nearest object, and the amount of black indicates how far the object is, and the pure black means it is the furthest object. This is the real depth map picture of this photo which I captured by my Samsung Galaxy A7 depth camera. If you want to know how to get a depth map raw image from any dual lens camera smartphone, then I will leave a link in the description box below of that tutorial. So let's see this image. Here the nearest thing in this picture is indicated in white color and the background is in black color. We can use this depth map picture to get the depth information and then we will use it to create a realistic lens blur. So now we will show how to make a depth map from a still picture. So first of all, make a copy of your image for safety. Now select the main subject first. I am using the object selection tool to select the subject. Now go to select and mask and make the selection more accurate. After selecting the picture, make a copy of this selection by pressing Ctrl+J. Now select the other object like the same way and copy them in a new layer. Now I'm using the polygonal lasso tools to select straight object. Now again go to select and mask and make the selection more accurate from there. Now select the other objects as well by using the selection tool or using pen tools. So we copied all the layers in a separate layers. Select the main layer and make a selection by clicking on the layer's thumbnail by holding Ctrl key. So now we got the selection of the layer. The object is almost near to the camera, so we will going to pick the lighter gray color. Now fill the layer with this color by holding Alt key and press Delete key. Now select the ground layer and make the selection by the same step, holding Ctrl key and click on thumbnail. Now this floor is going far from the near, so we can't just fill the layer. It won't work. So we have to apply the gradient to make the smooth depth of floor. So I'm using the gradient tool and going to select the basic color and white gradient and apply this as accurate as you can. Now match the main subject color by picking the color from the bottom of the subject. Now we got a nice depth map of the subject and the floor. Now do the same thing with all the layers from the photo and apply the black on the background. So we created a nice depth map of this picture. Now we are going to use it for our final work. Now select all the layer we made for the depth map. Select the black layer and hold shift and select the upper layer. Now right click and select Convert to Smart Object. Now select the whole layer by clicking the thumbnail by holding Ctrl key and copy the layer by holding the Ctrl key and press C. Now we copied the depth map, now we have to apply it on the channel. Now go to the channel, click on the plus sign to create a new channel. Now paste the depth map by holding the Ctrl and pressing V. Now make visible the RGB channel and hide the Alpha 1 channel. Our depth map creating process is done. Now we have to make a realistic lens blur. Now hide the depth map layer and select the main image, then go to Filter, Blur, Lens Blur. Now select the set focal point. Now click anywhere on the picture to focus the area. Now you can use it like the autofocus on your smartphone. Now increase the amount of radius to get more blur on the defocus area. This blur will be applied by using the depth map information. That's why it will be more accurate and realistic. You can change the camera lens shape to get different type of blur and bokeh. Now just click on OK. Look how realistic the blur is. You can make it more realistic by giving more time to selecting the subjects. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to see more interesting Photoshop tutorials. Logging out. Peace.